6 little things that might add a few years to our life. We tend to think that being healthy and having good genes are the keys to living longer. However, a study showed that being in a happy relationship is the thing we should rely on. And there are more little habits that can help too. Number 1. Having a flatter belly. Women who are in the stage of menopause and have excessive belly fat may live for less time, research says. Even if you're of normal weight, if your belly is round, there's somewhat of a risk. This is explained by the observation that women with central obesity are more likely to develop diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and more. Number 2. Prioritizing your happiness. Feeling happy is indeed very important for anybody. However, research says it has a real effect on our longevity too. So, life satisfaction, the absence of negative emotions, optimism, and positive emotions are what you should really stick to. Number 3. Laughing more often. Being more cheerful indeed adds some quality to our lives. However, it may add quantity too. Surprisingly, a vast study showed that a sense of humor protects us from developing cardiovascular diseases and various infections. In fact, it's the brain's health-protecting resource. What a pleasant way to try to live longer. Number 4. Being more organized. A study showed that conscientious individuals tend to lead longer lives. This trait also speaks about our cognitive functioning. So consider being more self-disciplined, organized, efficient, and goal-oriented if you care about longevity. Number 5. Walking every day. A study showed that every additional 30 minutes of staying inactive is related to a 32% higher risk of developing a serious illness. And literally, every step counts when it comes to reducing the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. So by walking 2,100 to 4,500 steps daily, you can reduce the risk of getting heart attacks, heart failure, or a stroke. Number 6. Going out more often. People who have an active social life may live longer and healthier lives, as research says. This is explained by the fact that such people tend to have better health behaviors, like eating healthy foods and being physically active. On the contrary, isolated people